Yeah, welcome back, children. So today we'll discuss about some of the exercise problems from 6.2. So I'll read out one of the problem beta. Here he has given that 2400 is a number, but it is not a perfect square. It's not a perfect square, but he's asking us to make it perfect by multiplying certain with a certain number. Okay, so better to write a prime factors. Okay, 2400. So 12 2s are 24, zeros as it is 2. I told you many times, if you divide with the 2, that is a means we are making the number as of 1200 off, we can write it as a 600. Okay, so 600 again 2, so 600 off we can write it as a 300 again 2, 150 150. So better go with the 5 3s are 15, 0 as it is, same 5 6s are next to 2 table 2 3s are. Okay, and now look at 2400 is equals to 2 total 5 times and 5 2 times, 3 1 time. I told you perfect square in the sense if you start making pair, each and every digit should be have a pair. Okay, so here look at a pair, but here single alone, 2 is alone, 5 also has a pair, 3 also alone. Here what happened, here 2 and 3 are alone, so that's why because of this reason 2400 is not a perfect square. But if you want to make it a perfect square, what should we do? We should give one more 2 for 2 to make it pair, one more 3 we need for 3 to make it one more pair. Am I right? So therefore what I'll write, if you want to multiply, so then I'll write multiply 2400 by 2 3s are, we know 2 3s are 6, no? Yeah, multiply 2400 by 6 to get a perfect square, to get a perfect square. Yes, so therefore perfect square number, so perfect square is equal to, we'll write a 2400 whole number and we are going to multiply with a 6. Am I right? So 24 into 6, 6 4s are 24, 2 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. So simple, we'll write 144 double zeros. So here I'll write therefore square root of 144 double zero. As I know 144 square root is 12, and for every 2 zeros we'll take it as 1, because when square root applies, for every 2 same numbers we'll take only 1. The same manner for 2 zeros I have taken only 1 0. Okay. What's the problem? Actual problem. Actually 2400 is a number. He's clear that he's made it clear 24 is not a perfect square. But now he's asking us, by multiplying with a certain number, try to make it a 2400 into a perfect square. Okay, so what happened, I made a prime factorization for 2400. I have written all factors, all numbers, product what the primes I have written here. But if after making pair 2 and 3 make it alone here, correct? 2 and 3 both will be alone here. So I have taken one more 2 to make it pair and one more 3 for one more pair. Okay, so 2 3s are the product of 2 and 3, we got it 6. So that I decided to multiply 2400 with a 6 to make it a perfect square. Okay, we go with one more problem. Yeah. Yeah, the problem we'll see. What is the question here? Yeah, find the smallest number by which 77776 to be divided. Here we are talking about divide. Okay, divide to make it a perfect square. So same, so make it a prime factorization now. 7776. So last number 6, so we can do with a 2. So 2 3s are 6, so 1 7 left. 2 8s are 16, again 1 7. 2 8s are 16, again 1 6. 2 8s are 16. Yes, next 2 table. 2 1s are 2, yeah, 1 left and the next number 8, 18. 2 9s are 18. So 2 4s are 8, again 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table. 2 9s are 18, 18, then 19, okay. So 1 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. Same. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3. Look at 24, 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. So better go with the 3, 81, correct? Again 3. 3 2s are 6, so from 6, from 8, 6, if 6 is take out, then 2 left and 1. 3 7s are, again 3 9s are, again 3 3s are, okay. Now if you write here, 7 7 7 6 is equals to, just count, 2 5 times, 3 5 times, okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Let's try to make pairs now. Yeah, 2 alone, 3 alone. Yes, I'm right. So your previous problem is asking us to multiply. So now is asking us to divide. Divide. Which number should be divided? The numbers, the digit which have no pair, that numbers we have to take it out. So here 2 has no pair and 3 also has no pair. So 2 3s are 6. So conclusion, what I'll write? I'll write here, divide 776 by 6 to get a perfect square. Get a perfect square. So therefore here I write perfect square is equals to 776 by 6. Okay, I'll do division here. Okay. 6 1s are 6. How much left? 1 7. 6 2s are 12. 12 means 5. 5 7. 6 9s are 54. 3 6. Yeah. So therefore 1296 is a perfect square number. And if you want to find square root for 1296, we can also find. Okay. We'll see. We know division method. Am I right? Yeah. 1296. So 12 nearest to perfect square is 9 because 3 3s are 9. So I'll write 3 3s are 9, and if you add a 3 again, we'll get a 6. 12 minus 9 answer 3, 9 6. I told you already 6 answer will get by only 2 ways. One is 6 6 are 36, or one more 4 4s are 16. Correct? So here the place comes by either digit 6 or digit 4. Okay. Now if you take 4, that is 64 into 4. But if you take 6, that is 66 into 6. 4 4s are 16. Yeah, 1 carry. 24 plus 1 25. No, it's not a needed number. 6 6 are 36. 3 36 plus 3 39. So 6 6 3 9 6. Yes, I told you this is our answer. Am I right? So therefore what I'll write? Therefore square root of 1296, that is equal to answer 36. Yeah, listen this problem careful. 1521 trees are planted in the garden in such a way there are as many trees in each row. There are number of rows in the garden. Find the number of rows and number of trees in each row. I don't know what is the problem it is. Yeah, I'll write number of trees 1521. But what is said? Number of trees in each row that equals to number of rows. So in each row, what quantity of trees are there? The same count of the number of rows also arranged in the garden. Okay. So simple. I'll take let number of rows x, and I'll write number of trees in each row. That is also x. So by the problem, if you want to get a total number of trees in the garden, so we can multiply the both. So we'll write x into x, that is equal to, we know number of trees 1521. So x into x is nothing but x square, that is nothing but 1521. So if you remove the square, it will become square root. So 1521. Yeah, we know division method. Am I right? So do here. Yeah, 15 to 1. Okay. So 15 nearest to square, perfect square. 3 3s are 9 only. So add 3 here. It will become 6 to 1. To get to 1, we have only two chances. One is 1 into 1 is 1. Second one is 9 9s are 81. Correct? So if you take 1 here, 61 into 1. If you take 9 there, 69 into 9. Actually 61 ones are 61 only. So there we have a 621. So 9 9s are 81, 8 carry. 6 9s are 54 plus 8 62. 621. Yeah, 9 9 621. Yeah. So therefore x is equal to 39. Okay. Then what is 39? If you come back again, the number of rows in the garden 39, and if you take each row, in the each row the tree is also 39. Okay. So that is the way of doing the problem. So similarly, we can solve certain problems by using square and the square root method. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.